Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. Trying something new today, little bit of news slash tutorial, because last week I got a press release from Canon Europe and they have just released it's the Canon EOS webcam utility software. It came out a couple months ago over in the US. And I found out about it and tried to install it on my PC and connect it up to my M50, but it didn't work, got locked out for whatever reason. But it's now available in the UK and in Europe, so it's a complete game changer for streaming and video conferencing. So first thing you got to do, head over to the Canon website. You'll see here the Canon EOS webcam utility software. I'm going to install it and set a camera up in OBS, so it's going to be pretty straightforward, pretty quick. The one thing you've got to remember, or if you don't know, it's only compatible with certain types of cameras. So as you can see here, we've got the 1Ds, 5Ds, 80D, classic. We've got some more here, and then we've got the mirrorless cameras. So I've got the M50, so my camera is compatible. Whether it will work with other cameras, I don't know. I haven't got anything else to try it with, but chances are it's not going to work. So all you've got to do, head to download. You've got to download it for Windows. Doesn't look like there's a Mac version. Put your name in, email address, hit submit. You will download the file and then you just hit install. Okay, so I have just plugged my M50 into the computer via a micro USB cable, and as you can see the utility software comes up, but I think that's a separate thing that I installed. For the first time you'll probably get the little box in the bottom right hand corner saying it's installing the device, and hopefully it will just turn on. There we go. So now you can see me on my M50. I've got it set to 1080p at the moment. So let's put this into OBS. We'll show you how that works. The good thing about this is, there you go, it's set up already. Oh, there's cheating, right. For those of you unaware, once you've installed the OBS, completely free, everyone uses it for streaming, go down here to sources, and then we've got video capture device, create a new one, and then it comes up with either your webcam or whatever device you've put in. Hit OK. Size it up. I've just added the logo and a white background, but you can do whatever you want. And that's it, you're good to go. So instead of using a cheapy webcam, you can now use your Canon camera. The M50 goes up to 4K, so I can actually stream in 4K if I wanted to. And the quality is far superior than most, if not all, webcams. So there we go. I'm hugely impressed. I mean, great job to Canon for giving this away for free, for turning your mirrorless or DSLR camera into a webcam. It's just brilliant, and at perfect time as well, because second wave lockdown, it's going to be more video calls. People are going to be starting streaming So perfect time to get a Canon camera and hook it up. If you want to know more about streaming setups, Steph has done a tutorial on how to get multi-streams, so you can join Discord with a couple of your friends and you can have a camera each on your stream, which looks pretty good. That's a really good tutorial, so go check that out. So that is a wrap on this video. I hope you have enjoyed it or found it helpful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all our latest videos, and check us out on Twitch. We're streaming there 2, 3, 4 times a week, new games, old games, so come give us a follow there as well.